all odds, against 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 all odds. I made it through the summer and made it right through the winter. Ended as a vet, but I started as a beginner. I wanted to be a winner, cause I hated to lose. Had to grind just to get it, so I'm making the moves. Trying to get my mind right, cause I'm stuck where I'm at. Now niggas calling my phone like, where the fuck is you at? Where you at, I'm somewhere nigga? On the map, and I'm near the sand. I could be in the water or I could be on land. It all depends on what you assuming, how you prepare. That's no right. Matter what you facing, just be fully aware that anything can happen at any minute. A hater gon' do what he do, so never get offended. Nope. Don't like them niggas looking at me, so my windows tinted. Don't try to race me, bruh, I got a beast up in my engine. Smoking while I'm floating on nothing but that potent. Sipping on that potion, got me and your girl in motion on the ocean, Atlantic to the Pacific. Foreign lands I'm trying to visit. I know it's been done before, but I wanna do it different. I wanna just fucking live it, but it's bad for my health. Cause the world is a disease through the fame and wealth. But it seems sometimes that the pain it helps when I sit and reflect on me and myself. Now take that, you dumb little sucker. I would never be your brother, you a stupid motherfucker. I know they say everything takes time, and I know, but for you it's gonna take a lifetime. And you slow, my precision leave you critical. You gon' need a miracle to help you heal physical. You gon' need something spiritual, nigga. Against all odds, I know that I'm gonna make it. Never been to Hollywood, but I know I'm famous. Against all odds, man, I'ma do me. High in the clouds, that's the way it's gon' be. Against all odds, I know that I'm gonna make it. Never been to Hollywood, but I know I'm famous. Against all odds, man, I'ma do me.